Hello everyone, I am the kindergarten principal. The kindergarten sports day is about to begin. Let me tell you the benefits of exercise. Regular exercise can keep you healthy and happy. Exercise can improve your cardiorespiratory fitness. Exercise can also strengthen your mind and make you smarter. Taking part in Sports Day can help you develop team spirit and cultivate good virtues. Now, I pronounce that the Sports Day officially starts.
Hi all, I am the referee, and I am indispensable to the Sports Day. I will explain the rules to you. Follow me. Tossing beanbag. Tossing beanbag can train hand-eye coordination. Here come the monsters. Let's beat them with beanbags. First, let's learn about it together. Toss the beanbags to beat the monsters. You are able to fire when the round from sight is aiming at the monster. You are able to fire when the round from sight is aiming at the monster. Trail ends. Now it's the official start of the competition. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, go! Amazing! Yes, just like that. Good job. Amazing! Great! Amazing! Yes, just like that. Great! Amazing! time is running out. Keep going. Time is up. The game is over.
Wow, 3 stars! You are indeed a master of sports.